Chunky Monkey baby. Tell everybody how big you've gotten. Wow, look how big you are. Talking? Who are you talking to? Say all my grandmas? Let's say hi to Bob too. Hi Bob. Hi Bob. Max is okay. You're being loud. Hey Max.
Max, look at mommy. Here.
Max, look at mommy. You're looking at your picture. Max is a big fan of Gogon. Hey Max.
Hey.
Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Yay, way.
Bye.